Welcome to HVACdirect.com. My name is Mary, and in this video, we are going to discuss the Goodman GMS8 series gas furnace designed for upflow or horizontal configurations. The GMS8 series achieves an 80% AFUE and features a multi-speed blower. Depending on the model that you purchase, you can achieve between 40,000 to 120,000 heating BTUs. The aluminized steel tubular primary heat exchanger featured in Goodman brand gas furnaces is one of the most essential components in a gas furnace's performance. This distinctive heat exchanger employs wrinkle bend technology, which was developed to deliver extraordinary durability and long-term reliability. An energy-saving 4-speed circulator blower motor provides efficient performance and quiet operation. The self-diagnostic control board silently and consistently monitors the gas furnace to ensure all furnace components are working properly and helps to achieve energy-efficient performance. This also allows for quick troubleshooting when your gas furnace needs maintenance. A fully insulated furnace cabinet helps to keep the heat inside the furnace and has less than a 2% air leakage rate. The insulation also assists with noise suppression when the furnace is operating. So with an efficient and quiet multi-speed blower motor and an 80% AFUE efficiency rating, the GMS8 series is a great choice for anyone looking for great performance and improved energy savings. For more information, visit the resources at HVACdirect.com or give us a call with any questions.